Kharge ji.
Sir, cheap gimmick, they are doing it. You can't divide us because we have come with ideological background. It is not like listening from here, there.
Let me put my word. You have asked and the ministry has responded. He will come back and he is not rejecting your demand. Let him come back. You should give some time. Let him come back. This is what it has been agreed.
Parliament to run. Why doesn't the government want a discussion when everybody here wants a discussion?
No, he is not saying, he is not denying yours. No, please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. The same subject need not be raised by everyone. He has, tell me.
Sir,
No.
Sir.
I will give you a chance.
Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, our request to the Honorable Minister is that let him uphold the statement which he made. He said that the government is ready to discuss on electoral reforms. We are telling, by all means, let that be the topic of discussion. We are in agreement. We are in agreement with him.
No.
Yes.
Let him speak.
Yes. We are in
Let him
agreement.
speak.
And there is no division among the opposition parties. All of us are united. And we want this topic, electoral reforms, let him coin the title topic in any way, in any fashion. And let him pick up any rule.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bilto ji.
सर ये गंभीर प्रकरण है न जाने कितने ऑफिसर्स 23 officers have committed suicide under the pressure and this government is seeking time. Even today sir in the morning in Moradabad the officer have committed suicide. How many lives they want to take?
No.
And do something which is this is
Sir,
not for the first time. Many times the discussion has taken place on election reform. I can quote.
Please, Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, please respond.
Allowed to make proper response, which shows that you are not interested in discussion. While responding to him, I was only halfway to my response. He stood up. Then I would like to leave the entire floor to you, and you keep speaking. Then he has the. This
I will tell you one thing: when one member is speaking, please don't disturb. I will give everybody chance.
Sir,
let everybody speak.
I reiterated. I was halfway. I was reiterating what I said, but I will make it clear again. Nobody is undermining any matter which was brought out by the opposition party yesterday in the all-party meeting or BSC or today. What I am saying is, it is under the consideration of the government. If you put a condition that it has to be taken up today itself, then it becomes difficult because you have to give certain space. I only added as an additional point that there were other members who raised other issues also. So it is wrong on your part to say that there is no other issue of other parties. Other than 12 opposition parties, there are other political parties who represent different states. So don't deny the right of others. While putting forward your demand, you have right to put forward. You cannot reject other conditions. However, I'm saying again, the matter related to whatever you call it, special intensive revision or electoral reforms or whatever, I have stated before the beginning of the winter session that government is not averse to taking up discussion for anything. But yesterday you were quite considerate. You said that, okay, you can enlarge the topic of discussion, you can make different headline topics. I am not opposed to that. The only thing I'm referring to today is, please give some time. While there are other business which are listed can be taken up, the demand which you have put forward has not been rejected. So don't presume that government is not ready to discuss on any matter.
So, sir, 1 minute. The same subject again and again, I cannot ask the minister to respond. He has responded it. We have to give some time. Yes, it is agreed in the Business Advisory Committee yesterday that let them come. I let the government come with. Yeah.
Yesterday, after the BSc meeting was over, after you have left, we discussed with the minister. We also gave the topic and all. He said he would come back to us by 9 p.m. Sir. Now let him tell, not to wait any time, sir. Let him tell sometime. Yesterday he told 9 p.m., but he has not come back to us. We are waiting.
You want to respond? No. You sit down. Sit down. No. You please sit down. Hey, you please sit down. You please sit down. Dada, boozen, Dada. Please, boozen, Dada. No. Please, boozen. Please, boozen. No. Please, boozen. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, are you in a position to give a time frame?
Once I have already, with the guidance of the Honorable Chairman, I have already stated that we will come back soon. If you insist on the timeline, you can create, the timeline is set by you. I am obliging the direction of the chair. What I'm saying is, once again, please don't put conditions on the timeline. However, I can say that we will try to come back as soon as possible.
The problem is, timeline is not the problem. The problem is a trust deficit. The whole session, they did not have a discussion. How can we trust them? How can we trust them?
No.
What timeline? We want a discussion today.
No.
What timeline?
No.
There's a
How we can discuss
No,
today?
sir. It's
Even
a
if we
trust
discuss
deficit.
to be allowed, it has to be decided by the BSc. Nah. You please sit down. Now, Sri Rajendra Gupta.
Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am humbled to lament. I raise to request to urgent.
Derek ji, this is not the rational.
So the opposition says there's no divide on the SR issue. They are demanding a discussion, and there's ruckus on the issue of a debate and discussion on SR that the opposition is demanding in the upper house in Rajya Sabha. Quick break. Lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.